Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of our podcast. Today, we are going to share an inspiring story about Bill Gates, his life, and his great work. Bill Gates is not just a successful businessman, but also a visionary who changed the world of technology. Let's dive into his story. Bill Gates was born on October 28, 1955, in Seattle, Washington. From a very young age, he showed a strong interest in computers. When he was just 13 years old, he wrote his first computer program. It was a simple game of tic-tac-toe, but it was the beginning of something big. Bill went to a school called Lakeside School, where he met his friend Paul Allen. Together, they spent hours working on computer projects. They even started a small business called Traf-O-Data, which helped local governments manage traffic data. This early success showed Bill that he could turn his passion for computers into something meaningful. Bill was very smart and did very well in school. He scored almost perfect on his college entrance exam and went to Harvard University. But he didn't stay there long. He was more excited about the possibilities of computers than about studying law or other subjects. So, he left Harvard to follow his dream. In 1975, Bill and Paul Allen started a company called Microsoft. At first, they worked on a program called BASIC for a small computer called the Altair. This was just the beginning. Over the years, Microsoft grew and became one of the biggest companies in the world. Bill's vision was to put a computer on every desk and in every home, and he made it happen. Microsoft created many important programs like MS-DOS and Windows. These programs made it easier for people to use computers. Bill's leadership and ideas helped shape the technology we use today. He believed that technology could change the world, and he worked hard to make that happen. But Bill Gates is not just known for his work in technology. He's also a great philanthropist. In 2000, he and his wife Melinda started the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This foundation works to solve some of the world's biggest problems, like poverty and disease. Bill has given away billions of dollars to help people all over the world. He believes that everyone deserves a chance to live a healthy and productive life. Bill Gates' story is one of hard work, determination, and a big vision. He saw the potential of computers when most people didn't. He took risks and followed his dreams, and he used his success to help others. His life shows us that with passion and hard work, we can achieve great things and make a difference in the world. Well, that's the story of Bill Gates. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast. We'll be back next time with another inspiring story. Have a great day.